Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be introducing Tantra yoga practice on the Tantra sofa to beginners. First of all, you want to get comfortable on the mat. Like you know, Tantra goes way beyond sexual yoga practice or sexual intimacy with two people. Although in the ancient times in India, Tantra is usually practiced between a man and a woman, and it just simply means improving your sexual consciousness, learning how to master your energy. But ultimately, what Tantra yoga does is that it helps you to become more conscious of your sexual energy, makes you more intimate with your partner, and like me, if you are alone, you can still practice and get to know yourself much more intimately, get to know different parts of your body, and get to focus on your breathing. So you have to get comfortable on your mat or on the Tantra sofa. If you have the Tantra sofa like me, good. But if you do not have the Tantra sofa, that is also okay. All you have to do is just stay conscious with your breathing, conscious with your body, conscious with your femininity, conscious with your masculinity, whatever it is, especially around your hip area, around your back, around your lower ab area, and also your legs. Guys, while you are doing each of these practices, remember to slow down your breathing. As you slowly stretch in each of the poses, as you slowly get to know yourself or get to understand your body, be present in the moment. Allow your body to just sink on the Tantra sofa. Allow yourself to just enjoy it as you take your time to just relax in it and be conscious of what your body is doing. You can do a whole variety of practices on the Tantra sofa, and that's why it's so important for you to get it, because when you practice on the Tantra sofa, it feels like you are doing more than usual. But honestly, it's just a Tantra yoga. It gives a deeper curve to your spine. It makes your practice a little bit much more intimate. So guys, just immerse yourself in your practice. Go easy, go simply, just go at your own pace and just relax on the Tantra sofa, enjoying every bit of how your body is flowing. And most people might think Tantra yoga is for partners. You need to get your boyfriend, you need to get your husband, your girlfriend, or your wife. No, it means increasing your consciousness in a particular area of your body, specifically your sexuality. So guys, you don't necessarily need to get somebody before you can practice Tantra yoga. You can practice Tantra yoga on your own. You can also practice with somebody you are intimate with. Nevertheless, just enjoy each of the ride, explore the practice, explore what you can do, whether it be a back stretch, a puppy pose, a hip opening, or even a back and a neck stretch. Whatever it is, the Tantra sofa helps to deepen your practice, and it opens you to a whole new possibilities of what your body can or cannot do. So it's all about learning, and it's all about doing what really works for you. It's all about doing what really works for you and being comfortable in your own skin. So guys, keep doing this, keep practicing, breathing in and breathing out, using every area of the Tantra sofa. You can go to the low area, you can come back to the top area, or you can use the middle, the place that completely acts your back and gives you a deeper practice. Whatever it may be, guys, just remember to see yourself going through each of the poses, breathing in slowly and enjoying the process. For singles, spend quality time alone with yourself. Get to know yourself more. Get to be conscious of the energy around your lower area, your genital area. Remember in my previous video where I talked about activating the Kegel exercises and improving one's sexual experience. Just like that, you can be more conscious of this by just practicing more. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Every single week new videos are coming out on this channel. So guys, recall that you need to take your time to process each and every one of the poses. Like I said, the Tantra sofa is a very good tool to improve your practice. However, if you do not have the Tantra sofa, you can use your mat to consciously get to learn more about your body, improve the consciousness of yourself, and also get to know yourself much more intimately. And as singles, it's okay if you do not have a partner. You can practice this on your own. You can get to understand yourself even more, and you can get to go deeper into the pose. Each of the poses I did in this video is on the description box below, so do well to check the description boxes and see all the poses that I practice in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, tell me what you think about this video. Tell me if you want to see more practices of myself on the Tantra sofa, or you want me to just do normal practice on the mat. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.